Stephen Feldman, George Soros and John Paulson are buying gold according to their most recent filings. So what should investors glean from that?
Well, these are hedge fund guys for the most part. They're very smart. I think they're taking a shorter-term bet on what happens on QE. We don't advocate being short-term investors in gold. We advocate the long-term investment characteristics of gold. But I'm happy that two of the smartest investors on the planet are long gold.
Well, you mentioned QE. Right now it seems like volume is low because people are waiting to hear what Ben Bernanke has to say later in August. What are your expectations?
That's exactly right. In the short run, it's about speculation, and people are betting within a very short range of whether QE3 happens, yes or no. I don't have any expectation of what happens at the September 12 meeting, but I'm fairly confident, fairly sure that part of the long-term solution to the debt is some sort of inflation, some sort of easing, some sort of monetary policy, which will be very favorable long-term gold.
Another thing we can expect come this fall when the traders come back is an increase in volume. How does that affect a physical gold player like yourself?
Sure. Well, look, volumes are driven primarily outside of the United States. Half of the volume is Chinese and Indian retail demand. That's been very down. It's been counteracted by central bank buying, which for 2012 will be a record. I'm, again, optimistic, and even if the price were to go down, I think that's more impetus for retail buyers to buy. They're not inclined to buy in a range unless for cultural reasons, but once it's a little bit more price support, I think you see the Chinese come back in size, and I think you're bolstered by investment demand and you're bolstered by central bank demand.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going
would enter in a new stage at SEC.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things
Apple
on Wall Street.
reported earnings.